Hello, this is Richard Arfsten. This is a maquette for a piece to put in my little backyard sculpture park. I live out in the country and I bought a little chunk of ground and it had a pasture on it, and this pasture turned into buckthorn. I don't know if you know what buckthorn is, but it's a nasty invasive species with thorns in it, and because it wasn't pastured, it just went crazy out there. Now I'm retired and I want to make this piece of land into a little sculpture park, so it's taken me 2 years to pull out the buckthorn. Anyways, now I want to start putting some big art out there, and I'm retired. This bear was designed to be made out of poured concrete with a plywood form. It would be relatively easy to make. This would make a wonderful landmark. If you put this in front of a restaurant or a park or a company, it would be known as the company with the bear, you know. There's little things I look for when I drive down the road, and little kids look for too. Anyways, that's what most of this sculpture is really designed to do, is become landmarks. But when something is identifiable as an animal, it has so much more meaning than an abstract piece. I have a whole file full of buildings that I can put my different pieces of sculpture in front of, and I'm always amazed at how well these pieces work in front of all different kinds of buildings. Very old style, very modern, factories, all different kinds of museums, all different kind of things. Sculpture is a marvelous thing, you know. They understand that in Europe. You know, there's sculpture everywhere in Europe. Every little town has got a few pieces of sculpture. You don't see it in the US. I think we need more of it here. Anyways, I even have a piece coming up here of the sculpture on another planet that I visit with Flash Gordon. So there. If you have any curiosity about other sculptures that I make, I've made many sculptures. A lot of them are on Saatchi. Thanks for watching and have a good day.